Hi everyone, today we're going to make chocolate muffin. This is my own recipe, so my handwriting is very bad, don't look at it. I'll go through the ingredients. So here we have 1 cup of flour, 60 grams of cocoa powder, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of coffee and 56 grams of butter. I know the quantity is a little peculiar because it was for 24, I reduced it for 6. Pinch of salt, half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and milk. As per quantity, it doesn't have any quantity. I will tell you later why. And 1.4 tablespoon of baking powder. Sorry, I forgot to add it before. So first, as always, we will start with mixing butter and sugar together. Always before baking, take out your butter from the fridge so it comes to room temperature. It's very much easier to mix that way. So as you can see, from my 2 eggs, I have added the yolk in my batter. And I have separated the egg whites. I will show you why. Mix your egg yolks with the butter and sugar mixture and make sure it's nicely incorporated. I always eyeball my vanilla because I love vanilla, but I will give you the measurement later. So I have added all my dry ingredients, as you can see: cocoa powder, coffee, baking powder, baking soda, flour, pinch of salt, and I will start mixing them all together. I know they look like that it will never happen and it will be spilled a little bit outside. Don't worry about it, just enjoy. Then we will add milk gradually, not all together, because all we want is runny consistency, which is very required for a nice and fluffy muffin, just like the one you get in country oven or somewhere. So as you can see, after adding a lot of milk, that's why I told you that it's a feeling. So the batter should be like this. It should fall off your spatula, but not very runny, but it should fall off your spatula. So you remember we separated the egg whites before. So we are going to whisk it with the automatic whisker because doing it by hand is very difficult. You can do it, but it's ambitious project. So we're going to do it with the machine and we're going to whisk it until soft tea. Okay? As you can see, it is going to take a little bit of time, but we have to be patient and we have to enjoy. As you can see, it's coming together slowly. We will see if it's still a little bit runny, so we will whisk a little bit more. As you can see, it's light and fluffy now. So we are going to mix it with our batter in folding motion. Folding motion means we have to mix it very slowly to keep the air inside the egg yolk intact, because that is going to make the world of difference. Like the store-bought fluffy muffin you get, it will be like that. So we will divide it in 3 parts. First we will take a little bit from here and we mix it very slowly and gently, not to break the air inside. Very nice and gently, like a baby. You have to mix it. So the first part is mixed. We'll take a little bit more. and we'll do it again. I don't know if you can notice, the color is becoming very light. It was dark chocolate brown before, but it's a little bit whitish now, and it's looking fluffy. But you have to be very nice and gentle. Don't ever whisk it, because then the air will go away. I have added the last part and I am whisking it. I know you are thinking it's very runny right now, but it is going to make the perfect muffin, I guarantee. So preheat your oven in 190 degrees Celsius for almost 5 minutes and fill your muffin cups. Just a little bit leave space around the edges. Don't look at this, or it's spilled. Little bit space, because it's going to grow bigger, and sometimes it gets very bigger, so don't worry about it. Everything tastes good. So as you can see, it's preheated and it's quite hot. So I'm putting my muffin tray inside. We are going to bake it for around 20 minutes, but sometimes it takes more, so you can increase it for 10 more minutes later if you see it's not baked. I will show you how to know that, but for now I have put the timer for 20. So as you can see, my muffin is done. How to know it's cooked or not? You just poke it with a toothpick and it should come out clean. Then you know it's done. I will just spread a little bit of powdered sugar on top. Not little bit, I like powdered sugar so a lot. I will cut the muffin so you can see how easily it gets cut, and it's fluffy.